funkiest, and everybody is the funkiest. Cause you are funkiest, the funkiest, and we are funkiest, the funkiest, and everybody is the funkiest. We bring the funk to your town, we're taking it back to them old school days when the flavor was fat. Craig, Mac, Cool G, Rap and Will Smith. Big Daddy Kane was on some ill shit. Feel this, y'all, kicking it the way it should be done. Having fun, chilling and enjoying the sun. Cause me and my man always smoking some blunts, and we write shit together cause we both in the funk. The perfect team, you heard of these two MCs known cause they murder beats. Whoa, yo, hit him with the freaky flow. Easy come, easy go, better act like you know for sure. Rip the show, get dough and blackout. We went 100% and passed out, y'all. We the mans that make your hair bump, so jump to the funk, smoke and get drunk.
Cause you are funkiest, the funkiest,
and we are
funkiest, the funkiest,
and everybody is
the funkiest. Cause you are funkiest, the funkiest,
and we are
funkiest, the funkiest,
and everybody is
the funkiest.
Lay it down for y'all once again. Now JNS, the crew is stepping down the ring. This rap shit got to move fucking class up, kids. So we have to change it drastic like a drag queen did. Like you agree what was seeing TV is just weak. And you wanna be with DMCs, they gon' change the beat. Back to the old school days, back to the real rhythm, back to the ways once played. You can say I truly feeling that y'all down with us, and we're ready to bust straight out of the dust. They come to see that are dangerous. So but not like R&B singers aiming for the lust of the naive population and the world around us. We try it in another way, cause in the end we came to say to bring back the fire of the funk in any kind of way, y'all. So if you wanna fall superior mind state, you got to clear your mind of exterior rhyme.
Cause you are funkiest, the funkiest,
and we are
funkiest, the funkiest,
and everybody is
the funkiest. Cause you are funkiest, the funkiest,
and we are
funkiest, the funkiest,
and everybody is
the funkiest. Cause you are funkiest, the funkiest,
and we are
funkiest, the funkiest,
and everybody is